Jabir bin Abdullah reported that Allah's apostle, may peace be upon him, happened to walk through the market, coming from the side of Aliyah, and the people were on both his sides. There he found a dead lamb with very short ears. He took hold of his ear and said, "Who amongst you would like to have this for a dirham?" They said, "We do not like to have it even for less than that, as it is of no use to us." He said, "Do you wish to have it free of any cost?" They said, "By Allah, even if it was alive, we would not have liked to possess that, for there is defect in it, as its years is very short. Now it is dead also." Thereupon Allah's Messenger, may peace be upon him, said, "By Allah, this world is more insignificant in the eye of Allah, as this dead lamb is in your eye." Severe conditions come upon human beings so that they return back to Allah. Let us not wait for conditions to come upon us also to remind us of Allah. The world that we admire is of no value at all, as we can see from this hadith. So let us turn to Allah and pray for all the Muslims who are suffering in various parts of the world. If Allah wanted, we could have been in their place right at this moment.